Okay, here you can see.
So huge your machine.
Yeah.
It is a continuous equipment.
Yeah, in our site, it's our continuous pyrolysis plant.
Okay.
It's a very huge scale.
Oh, very big.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Yeah, this is the electric power control cabinet. It is shiny, right?
Yes, many buttons.
Yeah, it shows it can be processed normally, and but it needs our professional workers to operate.
Yes, he must be provision.
Yeah, and for this type pyrolysis, continuous pyrolysis plant, the difference between this continuous and batch type pyrolysis plant.
Yes.
It has the higher handling capacity.
Yes.
We have 20 ton, 30 ton, and or even 50 ton.
Okay.
Yeah, or even 50 ton for each line.
Yes.
And it can process the feeding, pyrolysis, and sludging for continuously. And if your raw materials is enough, it can work for a month without any step.
1 month, just stew?
Yeah, just with the tires and plastics.
Okay. Very, very good, Bella. But according to your introduction, maybe it is very strict with our materials. You know, our customers have some volunteers, some different plastic. I know this plastic, just PP, PS, but I can't identify it.
Yeah, from your introduction, I believe you know more about the with tires and plastics, right?
I just worried about it.
Yeah. As for the huge scale pyrolysis plant, it has larger handling capacity, right? And also it has a higher requirement for its raw materials. And we usually use this type of pyrolysis plant to deal with tires and plastics.
Okay.
And before feeding, our with tires will be processed into rubber powder with the rubber powder machine, just like this.
Oh, this is broken tears?
Yeah. You can see it's very tiny, right?
Yes, very tiny.
Yeah.
But
we have you can use the rubber powder machine to deal with the waste tires into this kind of rubber powder.
Yes.
And for we want to ask the different kinds of plastic, right?
Yes, of course.
Many customers want to deal with.
Yes, deal with this plastic. We have some customers from different countries.
Yeah, with the plastic and with tires are widely used for our customers.
Yes, it is common material.
Yeah. And for different kinds of plastic, maybe many customers are puzzled about the cans, right?
Yes.
And so we have prepared some different kinds of plastic for you to identify its variety and to confirm if it's suitable for pyrolysis. Okay, here we can see different kinds of plastic.
Let me check this one.
Yeah.
This is a bottle of water.
Yeah, this is
common materials.
Water bottle, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the most common material. You can see the water bottle is the most common materials for pyrolysis.
Yes.
And we can see them through in the street everywhere, right?
Yeah, but it is suitable to pyrolysis.
But unfortunately, it is not easy, not suitable for pyrolysis.
But we have much.
But it has a cap in the bottle, right?
This part?
Yeah, just like this. This kind of bottle cap can be used for pyrolysis. It belongs to PE and
PE.
PE plastic has high oil yield.
Okay. How about it oil yield?
As for the oil yield, this kind of plastic can reach 19%.
19%?
Yeah, 19%.
Okay, very good.
It has very high oil yield, right?
High.
And for this plastic water bottle plastic, it belongs to PET, and actually, it couldn't produce oil, you know.
Oh, PET couldn't.
Yeah.
Okay.
And as you said, there are so many kinds of plastic, right?
Yes.
Just like PE, PET, PS, PP, right? And for this kind of plastic bags,
yes, I know this one.
It's also very common, right?
Yes, let me check it.
Yeah.
It is suitable?
Yeah, it is suitable for pyrolysis plant. You know, this kind of plastic bags belongs to PS.
Oh, PS.
Yeah,
okay.
And it can produce oil for the oil yield.
Maybe we can arrange some workers to make it mixed.
Mixed plastic.
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Mixed. If you have all kinds of plastic like PP, PS, PET, ABS, etc., they will be used for pyrolysis plant. It's suitable for this machine. And if you want to deal with plastic by using this continuous pyrolysis plant, you must shred this
kind of pieces.
Yeah. You must shred this kind of plastic into these small pieces, just like this.
Yes. Like this one?
Yeah. This kind of pieces is suitable for continuous pyrolysis plant.
Okay.
Just like the rubber powder from the
yes,
Tyre,
I'm more clear about it, Bella. But can I see the running of the machine?
Yeah, you want to ask it's very difficult to operate this field.
Yes, I guess because it is a huge machine. I think it is hard to run. So I want to see the running machine.
Okay, to disperse the concerns from you and the friends in front of the video, and we have arranged a special operation for you.
Yes, and by the way, this machine needs how many people to operate?
Actually, for this type of pyrolysis plant, just 3 or 4 workers is enough.
3 people is enough?
Yeah. And after it's running, just 1 or 2 workers to operate. It's okay.
People.
Yeah,
okay.
Just need one person to operate this control cabinet, and 1 person discharge of the feeding. You know.
Okay.
And let's have the professional workers.
Just arrange professional workers.
Yeah.
Arrange.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you know, after it's processing, the rubber powder, just like the
materials.
Yeah, the materials will be feeded in this.
This is the feeding. This is the feeding.
Yeah. This system is our feeding system. It's very huge, right?
Yes, very huge.
Yeah, the rubber powder will be feeded from here.
Yes.
And this is the first stage of the feeding system. Yes. And this is the second stage of feeding.
Second one.
Yeah. And for this is the final stage of the feeding system. And
reactor is running.
Yes. As for the feeding system, it has the strong sealing ability.
Yes.
It can prevent the rubber powder out of the feeding system.
Yes.
And as you observed, it is rotating, right?
Right. But this reactor is different from this one.
Yes. And you can see our professional workers press the button
yes,
on the control cabinet.
Yes.
So after it's pressing, the pyrolysis plant will rotate automatically, and it can work normally.
Yes. Just still 1 month, it is very good.
Yeah, you say the reactor is different from the batch type, right? Yeah, because the scale is larger, so the pyrolysis plant reactor is larger than batch type pyrolysis plant, and the size is bigger,
Yes, very big.
And let's have a visit on look on the oil outlet.
Oil outlet from here to cooling system.
Yeah, you can see it is also rotate, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Which process can this process can show it's working normally.
Yes, but how to discharge carbon black?
Carbon black? You know
this machine?
Yes. This part of the system is used for carbon black discharging. It is
very long.
Yeah, very long.
Yes.
It has the high sealing ability to prevent the carbon black out of the discharging system.
Yes.
And the carbon black won't out of
yes, because temperature is very high.
Yeah, it's very environmental protection.
Yes.
The carbon black is very dirty, right?
Yes, dirty, very dirty.
Yeah, it will be sealed on this system and to the equipment and convenient for us to store it. And we have the thermometer on the discharging carbon black discharging system.
Very good.
Yeah.
This part is cooling system.
Yeah. Okay. You can see the whole system actually is the principle is the same as the batch type pyrolysis plant.
Yes.
That is the feeding system and the pyrolysis reactor. Yeah. And the buffer tank. Yeah, and the cooling system. Yeah, with many condensers.
Yes, many condensers.
And oil tanks. Oil tanks for storing the oil outlet.
What about that part?
Okay, after it's cooling down, the oil just like this cooling system. After it's cooling down, the oil will store in the oil tanks,
Yes.
And the uncondensable gas will go through this kind of dedusting system.
Yes, dedusting system.
Yeah, I remember I introduced this in the batch type.
Yes, I just checked the small dedusting system.
This kind of dedusting system is actually the same as the batch type pyrolysis plant.
Yes.
But there are so many devices,
Yes.
And it is more accurate. Actually, it has thermometer because
you also can check.
Yeah, you can see the temperature accurately,
Okay.
And yes, and also have a pressure gauge,
Yes.
It can release the pressure inside after reaching the.
We also can set a pressure.
Yeah. Yes, automatically, it can release the pressure inside.
Yes, just all the pressures. Okay.
Yes, and it has this glass to observe its situation. It's very convenient for workers to observe.
Yes, we can check the inner as well.
Yes. And after its dedusting of treatment of dedusting, there will be a small the syngas will be. It is
noisy.
Yeah. Our workers are working now.
Yes,
time for them to work. Okay, after its treatment of the system, the syngas will be recycled to a furnace, to a oil furnace, to a reactor furnace.
Also as fuel?
Yes. And after heating, it will be a small amount of smoke, And the smoke, if emission on the air on the air will pollute.
Yes, that is our awareness.
Yeah, will pollute our environment, right? And so we have equipped this kind of desulfurization tool.
We can deal with the smoke.
Yeah, by dealing with this this desulfurization tool, the smoke will be treated. And it will be discharged after reaching the emission standard. You know, there you can see there is also a thermometer here.
Yes, we also can check the temperature.
Yeah, okay. The inside there will be some professional filters, and it can purify and desulfurize the impurities in the syngas. And after its treatment, it will be discharged without any pollution. You know.
Yes, perfect.
And you can see it's
always running.
Yeah.
Can we put the materials into it?
You mean feed?
Yes.
You can see if you want to feed the material into the furnace, you will take this rubber powder into the feeders just like this.
Yes.
Just like this. And the feeding system.
Yes.
And the feeding system will open.
Yes, others maybe very favorite when we can just take these bags into this.
Yeah, you're right. And it can be processed by our forklift.
Yeah.
You know, it's very convenient and very it can save much energy and time. You know?
Okay. According to the introduction, I'm clear about the purpose of the pyrolysis equipment. This pyrolysis equipment is same as this one, but just different from feeding and small detusting. Yes, and condensers. Yes, I know this one.
I believe after the introduction, you can know more about the batch type pyrolysis plant and this the continuous pyrolysis plant.
Yes.
And you can get fuel oil after pyrolysis by our pyrolysis machine. Right?
Yes, we also want to sell the fuel oil. We also want to sell diesel.
Yeah. You can also install our diesel distillation pyrolysis plant to get diesel. You know the price of diesel is very high.
Don't worry about it. We have many customers. We have many partners.
Okay. I understand your meaning.
Yes.
And after my introduction, I think you will be more interested in our product, right?
Yes. Due to a patient introduction, I'm more clear about just like everything. And I have seen some of your company's strengths, and I feel your sincerity. Thanks very much. By the way, so could you send me a detailed quotation?
Of course. After today's live show and your visit, I will make a detailed protection according to your demands and your budget range. You know.
Yes, but you know, I have to take it back to communicate with us.
Yeah. I know.
But trust me, you will get the feedback soon.
Of course, I believe you totally. And after making it, I will send it to you immediately. Okay, this visit will be over soon, and this live show will be over soon. You know.
Yes,
I believe
for your introduction.
You're welcome. I believe not only Mr. Kevin, but also many friends in front of the videos will know more about our products which contains a batch type pyrolysis plant, continuous pyrolysis plant, and the distillation pyrolysis and the distillation plant, And we also have a cooking oil equipment and so on.
Yes.
If you are interested in any one of these products, just leave a message on the below the video.
Yes, I guess we also welcome every customers from different countries because doing cooperations is really good. Really good.
Thank you. And our professional sales managers will contact you immediately as soon as possible.
Yes.
And okay, thanks for your watching today.
Yes,
okay, see you next time.
See you next time. See you.多久
1小时8分钟，差不多。
好棒啊，姐姐。
咋了？差点掉了是吗？啊。